Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share with you how to print this double-sided printable sublimation Christmas ornaments. And it's made by aluminum material. The thickness of the ornaments is 1 millimeter, which is the most popular material in sublimation industry. And we have variety of the shapes for your choice. But the most sellable shapes will be the square shape, round shape, and heart shape. So this three shape is the most sellable one. But today I would like to use this irregular shape to share with you how to print these nice ornaments. Yeah, why I use this irregular shape is because for these types of shape, then the better is you need to have a template. Well, we have all the templates ready, so if you need it, you can contact our sales reps. Then they would lovely to share it to you. Okay, so this is the printed paper, printed by our templates. And if you put it onto the printed paper, you can see that it's a little bit larger. So this is normal. That I think all the sublimation crafters should understand that the templates always need to be a little bit larger, like around 2 to 3 millimeters larger compared with the blanks. Okay, so next I'll share with you the printing tips for these ornaments. Okay, tips number 1. You see, it has protective film and it's transparent protective film. Lots of users ask us why you make it in transparent, because it's really hardly for users, especially for the new starters, understand or aware that there is a protective film. So most of the time, then the user, or especially the starter, they will forget to tear off the protective film. Okay, so let me explain to you. Firstly, why we use transparent film. The reason is that with transparent film, that will help us to do the QC checking. So with this, we can know whether there is any black dots or any defectives on the sheet or on the blanks. If that, then we will not ship it to you. So transparent film is for QC purpose. Okay, yes, it's hardly to tell whether it is, especially for the new starters. Okay, so that's why we take this how-to videos. So tips number 1, that you need to tear off all the protective film on both sides. Okay, and you can see it's not very easy to tear it off. Okay, so tear it off on both sides, not just one side. Because if you just tear one side during printing, then the other side will be ruined, destroyed. Okay, so it's not easy to, especially for me, because my nail, you see. So if you have any better suggestions of how to tear off this protective film, then we would really appreciate it that if you can leave the message under below, then that can benefit for everybody. Okay, now it's done. You see, this is tips number 1. You need to tear off this transparent protective film on both sides. Okay, and tips number 2, although it is double-side printable, yes, sometimes the user may just want to print one side. That's totally fine. But if you want to print both sides, then the tips is that you need to print it one by one instead of print it both of them at a time. Because if you print it both of them at a time, at the end, you may face in the issues. One side overcooked, the other side not be okay. Okay, or one side is okay and the other side is less temperature. Okay, so tips number 2 is that you need to print it both one side, side by side, not 2 sides at a time. Okay, and today I'm going to share with you how it looks like with this kind of design and this kind of design. So these two designs shows everything about design. Firstly, it's If it goes okay, then it will go well with all the photos. And here is the solid color together with some letters. So if the printing result turns out really well, that means that all these types of design will work with this material. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, what you need to prepare for printing is the blanks, printed paper, heat protective glove, and cleaning cloth. We have this cleaning cloth. If you need it, you can contact ourselves. So we already tear off all the protective film before going to stick it onto the printed paper. Then the better is you use this cleaning cloth to clean it. And then use your finger to hold it. Use your finger to hold it. And now we're ready to place it onto the printed paper. Okay, you can see. So here has a hole. So for centralize this is easy. Just make sure that this hole is in the center. That's okay. And now we're ready to heat resistant tape to tape it. Now we're ready to move into a heat press. Today we're going to use our Prisma swing press by Galaxy Press. Okay, so the print temperature we need is 180 degrees, which is 180 degrees Celsius, which is 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And the time we need is 50 seconds. Okay, so it's already done, and we need to put the Teflon sheet underneath to protect it. This ink get into the fabric cover. Okay, so printing side face down. Okay, close it. So now normally before you printing, you need to adjust the pressure, because today we already adjust the pressure. For aluminum, medium pressure will be good enough. No need to be that high. So medium pressure means that you use maybe 3 fingers, then you can close the machine. That's okay. Okay, time is up, and get your glove ready to protect yourself and open the press. Take them out. It's really hot. Okay, see, it prints really well. It prints really well. And for another side printing, I'll show you another method of another way of print the aluminum panel without heat resistant tape. Okay, because I use heat resistant tape for the first side and another side. Okay, see, this is paper, right? So instead of put the Teflon sheet on, we need to put it onto the cover. Oh, it's really hot. It's still hot. So So the disadvantage for this, if you need to do both side printing, so after one side printing, maybe you need to put it aside and wait for about 2 to 5 minutes to let it cool down, or you can put it into water, cold water, to cool it down immediately, and then you're ready to do the next print. Okay, so it's still a little bit hot. See, so I need to wait for about a minute, and let's go back later. Okay, it's been cooled down, and let me show you how to print another side. So this time I'll show you another way, that means without heat resistant tape. Okay, firstly, good that we have a swing away heat presses, then you can always leave you out of enough space out of heat. Okay, so put the printed paper and located the blanks. Cover it with a Teflon sheet, and then print. Okay, time is up. So let's say, because we only need medium pressure, so when you tear this Teflon sheet, you do not do it like this way. Okay, slightly move it in order to make sure that it will not move. Okay, and now do it in this way. So you can see it prints really nice. Okay, so this is how it be worked with double-side aluminum ornaments. Okay, And thank you for watching, and hope today's video helps you know better about how to print these lovely Christmas ornaments, and hope you will have happy coming Christmas. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.